if you've recently reset your iPhone or iPad and struggling to install AIN or IPA files without a jailbreak or a PC, here's a straightforward solution. AIN is a reliable tool that enables sideloading IPA files on iOS devices without needing a jailbreak or computer. If you've previously used Scarlet or other signers and ended up blacklisted, if you have not seen Safari and ended up blacklisted, this method can resolve your issue. Scroll down and select Install DNS Profile, then allow the download. Go to Settings, open the downloaded profile, then tap Install twice to add the DNS profile to your device. A new app will appear on your home screen. Open it, scroll down, and choose one of the ESign links to install the app. If one link fails, try another. Using the Vietnam Post link worked seamlessly in my case. Was installed. Activate airplane mode, navigate to settings greater than general, greater than VPN and device management, and trust the Enterprise app. Restart your device while keeping airplane mode on to ensure AIN works correctly. After restarting, reopen the app, download the AIN certificate as a zip file, and save it. Within the app, import the certificate and select the folder matching the download source E+V in Post. Import the certificate into management and you're ready to sideload IPA files. Download your desired IPA file, import it into AIN, and sign it by selecting Apps and tapping on the imported file. Use the signature option to sign the file twice, then install it. This process ensures the IPA installs and runs without crashes or errors. If this guide was helpful, like, comment, and share for more iOS tips. Happy sideloading, and see you in the next tutorial.